Hello, this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Aqara temperature humidity sensor. It's a Zigbee device and you can connect it to your Xiaomi gateway and other things in your ecosystem by Xiaomi. So let's open the box. It's pretty tiny. As expected, there is a short manual in Chinese. You can scan the barcode and install the app, and here's the sensor itself. It's pretty tiny, and this is all it is. And you can stick it onto the wall. This is a self-adhesive tape, and you can stick the sensor somewhere onto the wall and connect it to your Xiaomi gateway. Okay, let's try to install this temperature and humidity sensor in MiHome. So as you can see, we have a lot of devices already. So we'll just go to Xiaomi living room gateway. That's the gateway where all the devices are connected. And we'll go device, and we'll go add child device. So there's a temperature and humidity sensor, but that is the old one because it's round. As you can see, this one is slightly square. And I suppose it's different, or maybe not. Aqara temperature and humidity sensor. Aqara vital switch. I don't see it. This is temperature and humidity sensor, but the icon is different. Okay, let's try it and connect it. Okay, and there's a small button here. I don't know if you can see it, and I need to press it. It's easy to press with your fingernail, but not that easy. Let me get something to press it. Okay, let's go again. Add the device, temperature and humidity sensor. We'll press this thing. Okay, this thing is blinking. Connected successfully. Okay, so we can add this to the living room. Go next. Device name. We'll call it tape sensor, temp sensor. You're done. Okay, so we can see it, and let's see if it shows anything. Temperature 25.8, humidity 44.6%, air pressure 95. And here we should be able to see the history of the temperature, but since we only have it like a minute or so, I don't believe it's accurate. Okay, and we can add it. It has the right icon here. We can add it to the home screen. So there it is, living room temperature sensor, 26 degrees.